So welcome back aliens, I'm Navin Reddy from Telescope Learnings, and finally we are reaching that benchmark of 50,000 subscribers. So we are a very big family now, and thanks for your support, for watching my videos, for sharing my videos and liking all the videos which has motivated me to make more videos. So, and I have a giveaway. In fact, last week I have announced about this giveaway now, and today is the actual announcement. A giveaway is a project, a live project. Now, why we are doing this? Is it there any advantage of this? So, what happens, when I was in my college days, when I was doing my graduation, I was knowing about all different concepts, I was knowing about programming, I was knowing about database, I was knowing about all these things, but only the theory part. Okay, we have SQL and this is how it works. We have Java and this is how it works. We have DFD, this is how it works. We have testing and this is how it works. But then, learning all this thing isolated will not make any sense, right? You should have one real example where you can connect all these things. So when you work on a project, that's where you will understand how to use all these things together, right? How to deploy the project, how to manage using GitHub. So we'll be seeing all this thing in this project. So after completing this project, you will be knowing lots of things. You will know why do we create ER diagrams. You will know why do we use a specific type of DBMS, why not some other DBMS, why we use Java as our primary language, why not some other language, why we use GitHub, how to deploy the project, where to deploy the project, why not to go with the private hosting, why to go for the cloud hosting. So we'll learn all these things. In fact, I will not teach you all this thing, okay? See, this is not a teaching session, it will be doing session. Okay, I will not teach you any of this. You will learn all this thing by yourself, and you will not even know that you're doing some hard work of learning. You will enjoy each and everything, because when you work on something, we really enjoy it. Okay, that's why we are making this project. Now, it is very difficult for me to manage everything, right? And that's why we have some other planning, which you will see in the next video, how you can join this session and all those things. But then, what exactly we are going to do in this project? Initially, I was thinking about to make something new, but then I thought this is just an experiment, right? I mean, I'm doing this for the first time. So what I'm planning is, we will redesign my own, this Telescope website. So we have a Telescope website, right, which is already deployed. Let's redesign it, because I'm getting lots of, in fact, thanks to you people, I've got lots of mails last week. After the announcement, I don't know, I got more than 200 mails, I guess. I mean, it was overwhelming, getting all those mails. I read all the mails, okay. I was not able to reply to all the mails because it is impossible to reply all those mails. So thank you so much for your feedback. In fact, I got lots of ideas, and most of them were talking about redesigning the website and using all those different technologies. So that's why we came with now. So what we'll be doing is, we'll be redesigning our website, which is telescope.com. Okay, from start to end. That will be our project. Now, there are lots of people who have seen my website already, but then the people who have not seen that, just go to the website and have a look. What are the modules we already have there, and we will try to redesign each and everything. So if you can go to the website, you can see we have a login page, we have a code page, we have feedback page. We'll be redesigning everything, and you will be doing all those things. Now, to build a project, we need certain designers. We need people who will work in the backend team, people who will responsible for databases. So again, we will try to figure it out who is best in what thing. And I was thinking about making it public, but there is one issue. It will be very difficult for me to manage all those things if I make it public. So what we are doing now is, we'll not make it public, but then we'll be having a set of people. So only those set of people will be a part of this project. Okay, I don't know the numbers now, but then not everyone will be eligible for different reasons. First, it will be difficult for me to manage everything. Second, there are some people, they are not interested. They feel they're interested, but then later on they will not take much participation. So what I want is, I only want serious people who will work in this. And so since you are learning lots of things, so of course you are serious about this, but then I want to make sure only those people will be part of this who are actually serious. Okay, now how can you show your seriousness? That we'll discuss in the next video, but then you have to be serious to do this project. And so yeah, so we'll be redesigning our project, which is telescope.com, and while doing this, we'll be learning all different things. What is ER diagram, technologies. So what are technologies we'll be using here? So okay, let me just go in this way. So before creating the software, first of all, you have to design the software, right, on the paper. So first of all, you have to design the database on the paper. That will be your ER diagram. Then you have to design the actual database in, the table structure, how many columns will be having. So you'll be doing all those things. Later on, we'll be going for the UI phase where we'll be actually creating the UIs. Now I need people, and I know that, in fact, from last year itself, I'm getting some requests that there are some designers who are my subscribers and they want to contribute to the website. Initially, I was busy with the other stuff, so I was not able to concentrate on those things, but now we can do that, right? So if you are good at designing, you can help in the designing team. You can create the awesome GUI and you can give it to us, and we will try to incorporate that in the new project. So in the next 2 months, we'll be redesigning the entire website. Okay, so from the old website, which is nice now, but then we'll try to make it more interactive. We'll try to make it more awesome, right? We are making an awesome website now. I will not be responsible for that. You will be responsible to create that awesome website. And yeah, so if you are good at designing, you can contribute as a designer. If you are good with Java, you can contribute as a Java developer. If you are good with database, you can contribute in a database way. If you are good with hacking, you can provide the hacking solution. You can provide security solution to the website. And just imagine if you are a developer, you don't know how to hack, or you don't know how to test the software. You will be having people with you. I hope the people who will be working with this, they will communicate with each other for all the things, because that's important, right? When you work on a project, communication is very, very important, right? And you are the actual people. I'm no one there. I'm just a person who is managing everything. That's it, nothing else. The building part will be done by you, right? And that's where I want the proper communication. Now, once I got the code, let's say if you're submitting the code, if you're submitting the designs, we'll be making a live video on that. So let's say after the submission, okay, so it will go something like this. So today I'm talking about the announcement. In next 2 days, you have to make a ER diagram for the website. So just go to the website and create a ER diagram. Now I know most of you don't know what is ER. Just go to YouTube and search for what is ER diagram and learn how to make an ER diagram, and then submit a ER diagram for this website. So you submit. In fact, I will also talk about that, what exactly ER diagram means. I mean, what ER diagram we'll be using for our website in next 2 or 3 days. So we'll be having 3 days, mostly on Friday. We'll be releasing a next video where we will talk about the ER diagram, and then we'll go for that phase. So every 3 to 4 days, we'll be having a new video for the progress, right? So today we have to learn ER diagram next 2 days and make a ER diagram for the website and submit that ER diagram to me. Even if you're not good with designing, if you're not good with that, you have to make the entire website, right? I'm just trying to make you a full stack developer from start to end. You can be a part of this project. Not compulsory, but then it is better, right? And whatever design you submit, whatever code you submit, if that code is actually implemented on the website, you'll be getting your name there. Okay, so designing, at the end of design, you'll be having your name there. Okay, let's try to incorporate where to put that and how we can do that. Maybe one will be having one page for all the contributors. Let's see how that goes, because when you see open source project, we have those contributions there, right? So I will try to implement that here as well. So yeah, so you have to learn ER diagram for designing. For database, we'll be using MySQL. For language, we'll be using Java. For code sharing, we'll be using GitHub. And for deployment, we'll be using Google App Engine. So currently I'm focusing on Google App Engine, but let's say in next 1 or 2 months, if I figure out how to use AWS, because I'm getting some problem with AWS now, if we can figure it out, we can also deploy that on AWS server. So you will see from start to end everything live. Even if you don't want to be a part of this project, that's fine. You can just watch what is going on, and you can learn by watching as well. But then participating is more important than watching, right? So that's our first thing. Now, how to participate and how we can go with this, that we'll see in the next video.